In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneDrive sign-in error 0x8004de40. If you're seeing this error when you try to sign in, it usually means Windows isn't establishing the secure connection OneDrive needs, or your network detection settings aren't set correctly. We'll adjust a couple of system internet options that OneDrive relies on, and we'll do it safely and step by step. Start by opening the Run dialog. Press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. A small window labeled Run should appear. In the open field, type inetcpl.cpl exactly like that, then click OK. This opens Internet Properties, which controls system-wide web and security settings used by apps like OneDrive. At the top, go to the Advanced tab. You'll see a long list of options. Scroll down until you find Use TLS 1.0, Use TLS 1.1, and Use TLS 1.2. Make sure all three of these boxes are checked. TLS stands for Transport Layer Security, the encryption protocol that secures your connection. If any of these are unchecked, secure handshakes can fail and OneDrive may throw the 0x8004de40 error. Enabling them doesn't turn off newer standards, it simply ensures compatibility with what OneDrive expects on your version of Windows. If a box is grayed out, you might need administrative rights on the machine, so be sure you're signed in with an account that can change system settings. Next, switch to the Connections tab. This area manages LAN and proxy settings. Click the button labeled LAN Settings. In the window that opens, look for Automatically Detect Settings and make sure it's checked. This allows Windows to discover your network configuration automatically and helps avoid incorrect proxy settings that can block OneDrive sign-ins. Don't change any other proxy options here unless you know you use a specific proxy or your organization requires it. Click OK to close the LAN settings window. Back in Internet Properties, click Apply to save your changes. Applying ensures the TLS and automatic detection settings take effect immediately. That's all you need to do. By enabling the appropriate TLS versions and allowing Windows to detect network settings automatically, you address two of the most common causes of the 0x8004de40 sign-in error. If those boxes were already selected, it's still worth toggling them to confirm they're active after you apply, since some third-party tools can modify these options. These adjustments are safe, reversible, and designed to restore secure connectivity, so OneDrive can authenticate without errors.